Hey, have you ever been in a situation where you would like to automatically color every row in Google Sheet that contains a particular value in a particular column? Um, I'll explain what I'm talking about with an example here. So here I have a table in Google Sheet with three columns that are task details, due date, and priority. And let's say I want to color every row that contains priority one in column C, so that I can identify all priority one easily. Uh, Let me change the spelling of priority here. Yeah, there we go. So let's say I want to color every row that contains priority one and column C. So how do I go about doing that automatically is what we are going to see here in this video. So now many of you might already be using this in your day-to-day task. This is intended for people who is struggling to do that and who is still not aware of this function. So let's see how to do that. So what you need to do is go to format, click on conditional formatting, and first select the range to which you want to apply this formula. So I'm going to select my range here, click OK. Then click on this drop down and select custom formula is. And in the custom formula, what we need to do is put an is equal to sign and put a dollar sign. Dollar sign is because we want to lock our we want to tell the system to consider values only from a certain column. So that's why we are putting this dollar sign and put the column based on whose value you want to color the row. So in my case it is column C, because it's column C based on whose value I want to color the row. So put column C and put the cell number of column C from where you want to start the formula. So my formula is going to start from row number 2. So it's going to be $C2. Then put an is equal to sign and put your value in quotes. So my value is priority 1 is 1. So I'm going to tell the system to color every row that contains priority 1 in column C, and the formula should start from cell number 2 in column C. So that's what this formula means. And you can choose all the formatting that you need. So you can choose to make the text bold, you can make choose to make the text underlined, or you can choose to have a particular font color or whatever as per your choice. So put this formula, choose your formatting and click done. Now if I put priority one anywhere, you can see it's getting colored with the color I chose. There we go. Thank you.